So the first time I did 543, I had no expectations at all. I had no idea what I'm gonna learn or how it could feel to poke the ego. It's horrible to poke the ego, and it's so good at the same time. So the fun level in 543 was like a roller coaster, like a massive roller coaster. So you feel very, very shitty in level 5 before level 5, during and after. And then you learn these techniques in level 4, and you learn how to tune your consciousness outwards and to not feel that it's all about you, and it feels so much lighter. And then it just gets into this crazy ride of level 3. So my recommendation is definitely do all the 3 in a row. There's a reason why they did 5, 4, and 3. This is amazing. The highlights are definitely that I got ego feedback that's so painful, and we learned how to use this pain to get out of our consciousness and out into the world. And in the end, this is such a cringe sentence. They love you anyway, with your whole package of ego on your shoulders. And sometimes it's hard to believe when you really see your disgusting parts of your ego. But this is what it's all about in the end, to feel all the love for the people, to see them more clearly, and to see, okay, they love you anyway. I'm again deeply touched by this hell of a ride, level 5, 4, and 3. And I did it now the second time, and it was even more intense than the first time, I think. I didn't expect that at all. And I'm so grateful for these profound teachings and this crazy wisdom journey that's so out of everything I've ever experienced before. Yeah. I'm very, very, I feel very humble.